Hi guys, I'm going to show you my RC car I made. And it's pretty cool. So, hope you like it. Hello. You can see, this is my controller. This is my steering. This is right and this is left. This is my back and forth. And this lets me know this is back and forth. And this is right and left. Up and down, right and left. So this is my sensor on top of the remote. And I'm on channel 1 right now. And I move these two circle things up. This is my car. Got the steering in the front. By the way, I'm 7 years old. Here's the steering. And here is the back wheel. As you can see, I'm pushing the blue button for the back wheel and the red button for the steering. Steering works pretty good.